हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। मैं बीएल शर्मा, मैथ सा will discuss with you exercise 5.2 of the chapter number 5, that is data handling of class 8th NCERT mathematics, and this is part 6. Question number 1 is now on your screen, and this is exercise 5.2. We read the question carefully. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the finding of this survey. This a pie chart is given. ये हमें एक pie chart given है और इसमें यह है कि किसी भी एक पर्टिकुलर जो सिटी है उसमें जो यंग पीपल है वो क्या पसंद करते हैं, what they like, what about the music. So here light music by 40%, semi-classical music that is 20%, classical music that is 10%, and folk that is 30%. First part of this question is, if 20 people liked classical music, how many young people was surveyed? तो पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर क्लासिकल म्यूजिक जो हमारा है, ये वाला क्लासिक म्यूजिक, उसको 20 लोग पसंद करते हैं, तो ये बताइए टोटल कितने लोग सर्वे किए थे, कितने लोगों का सर्वे हुआ था. सो वी कैन राइट हियर ले टोटल numbers of the surveyed people. बे एक्स, टोटल एक्स नंबर का जो है उतने पीपल्स का सर्वे हुआ था. एंड वी नो देयरफॉर एंड 10%, दिस इज क्लासिकल म्यूजिक एंड क्लासिकल म्यूजिक इज 10%, देयरफॉर 10% of x that is given 20. टोटल का 10% 20 है. हियर यू सी इट इज गिवन 20 पीपल, और ये 20 पीपल कितना है, टोटल परसेंट जो पर्सन जो सर्वेड था, जिनका सर्वे हुआ था, उनका 10% है. सो वी फर्दर कैन राइट हियर 10 upon 100 into x, that is 20. Now we have to calculate for x. This 0 and 0 cancel. X is 20 into 10, that is 200 answer. Therefore, the answer of the first part of this question is 200. That is 200. Total ये जो 200 people है उनका सर्वे था. So the answer of the first part is 200. And now the second part of this question is, which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? देखिए यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पीपल है, लाइट 40% एंड क्लासिकल सेमी क्लासिकल 20%, क्लासिकल म्यूजिक 10% एंड फोक दैट इज 30%. सबसे मैक्सिमम आप देखेंगे ये है लाइट म्यूजिक. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ द सेकंड पार्ट, दैट इज light music, and that is liked by 40%, maximum number of the people out of semi-classical, classical, folk and light music. And the third part of the question is now, if a cassette company means, this is the cassette company. See here, I am reading the third part of this. If a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? अगर एक कैसेट कंपनी को 1000 सीडी बनानी होती तो ईच टाइप के कितने बनाते, देखिए. सी हियर लाइट म्यूजिक that is 40% of 1000. Of means multiply, so 40 upon 100 into 1000. 1 this 0, that is 4 into 100, that is 400. लाइट म्यूजिक का 400 कैसेट बनाते, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, सेमी क्लासिकल. देखिए सेमी क्लासिकल कितना है यहाँ पे. सेमी क्लासिकल इज 20%, सो वी कैन राइट हियर 20% out of 100, so that is 20 upon 100 into 1000. 1 2 1 2, that is 20 into 10, 200. So semi classical जो कैसेट होती वो होती 200. And now classical you will see here, that is 10%. 10% of what? 10% of 1000. You can calculate here, that is 10 upon 100 into 1000. So 1 2 1 2, these are 100. So this could be 100. And last, light music, that is light music is 40%. So 40% of out of 100 into 1000, that is 400. So we can say that is light music, that is 400. Folk, sorry, folk is what? Folk is 30%. That is 30% means 30 out of 100 by 1000, so that is 300. So folk cassette 300, classical 100, semi-classical 200, and light music 400. These are the answers of the third part of this question. Next question for you. This is exercise 5.2 and question number 2. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from 3 seasons: rainy, winter and summer. 360 people को ये पूछा गया कि आपका कौन सा आप सीजन ज्यादा पसंद करते हो. And these 3 seasons are rainy, winter and summer. That is rainy, this is summer and winter. And these are total 360 people. So out of 360 people, 150 means their favorite season is winter. 120's favorite season is rainy, and of the 90%, 90 votes are for the in the favor of summer. 150 को विंटर फेवरेट है, 120 रेनी को पसंद करते हैं, और 90 मींस जो है वो समर को पसंद करते हैं. एंड नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज विच सीजन गोट द मोस्ट वोट. सबसे ज्यादा किसको वोट पड़े हैं. देखिए 90, 120 एंड 150, एंड 150 फॉर द विच सीजन, that is for the season winter. So what is the answer of the first part of this question? That is first part of the question. The answer is winter. First part, the answer is winter. That is the answer of the first part. सबसे ज्यादा वोट किसको मिले हैं. That is 150, and 150 votes for in favor of winter. And now the second very important here, find the central angle of each sector. अब हमें central angle बनाना पड़ेगा. तो देखिए how to find out the central angle. First we write the seasons, summer, rainy and winter. Then we write the number of votes here. लेकिन ये कितने में से देखिए 90. फिर हम इसका fraction find out करेंगे. 90 out of 360, because the total are 360 here. So here I am writing here, first I write this all the seasons, that is summer, then rainy season, and then winter, and number of votes for 90 for the summer, 120 for rainy season, and winter, that is 150. Total is 360. Yes. Now what is the fraction? 90 out of 360, that is 1 by 4. For rainy, that is 140 out of 360. So that is that is 1 upon 3, 12 3 is 36. And this is 150 out of 360. That is, yes, 0 is cancelled by 0. And 3 5 ja, and 3 12 ja. So what is the fraction here? For the summer, it is 1 by 4, and rainy, that is 1 by 3, and winter, that is 5 by 12. Yes. And now how to find out the central angle? Central angle के लिए जो भी ये fraction होता है, this fraction, that is 1 by 4, 1 by 3, and 5 by 12. We multiply by 360. You also multiply by 360. Each fraction should be multiplied by 360. And on calculation, you will find here that is 90 degree, that is 120 degree, and that is 150 degree. Yes, that is for the summer 90 degree, for rainy season 120 degree, and for winter that is 150 degree. It is very important to note that how to find out the central angle. जो भी हमारा फ्रैक्शन होता है उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं 360 से, right? And now you can also see here. See here, you can also do like this. Yes. ये हमारा फ्रैक्शन था 90 अपॉन 360, 360 से मल्टीप्लाई किया टू गेट द सेंट्रल एंगल. So for the summer 90 degree, for the rainy that is 120 degree, and for the winter season that is 150 degree, and this is same here. And now the question is, draw a pie chart to show this information. Once we get the central angle, then it becomes easy for us to draw a pie chart for the given information. So we take a circle and we construct 90 degree for summer, 120 degree for rainy, and 150 degree for the winter. So I think you can use the day for constructing this. See here and here. That is 90 degree for the summer. This angle is 90 degree. You use D to construct 90 degree. And for the rainy, it is 120 degree. So you use a D to construct the 120 degree, and this rest will be 150 degree. And this is what? This is pie chart. Yes. So that's all for this question. First, we find out the fraction. Then to get the central angle, we multiply by 360 each fraction. And then all these means the angles we construct in a circle, and then thus we get a pie chart. Next question. Draw a pie chart showing the information, showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. देखिए यहाँ पे ये जो कलर्स है एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल लाइक करता है. देखिए तो पाई चार्ट के लिए हमें पहले फ्रैक्शन चाहिए और फिर सेंट्रल एंगल चाहिए. तो आई एम राइटिंग हियर फ्रैक्शन 18 out of 36, 9 out of 36, 6 out of 36 because total is 36 and 3 out of 36. Then we need one more column. That column is for central angle. Once we get the fraction, then we find the central angle. See here, what we do, that is our fraction. You can write here, means 18 upon 36, 9 upon 36, 6 upon 36. You can cancel out here. And now you multiply by 9 by 36, 6 by 36, and 3 by 36. Yes. क्या करते हैं सेंट्रल एंगल के लिए? We multiply each fraction by 360. So multiply this by 360, multiply this by 360, multiply this by 360. Now this can be easily calculated. 36 tanja, so that is 180 degree. That is 90 degree. That is 60 degree, and that is 3 tanja 30 डिग्री. ये हमारा सेंट्रल एंगल आ गया है और हम एक सर्कल पे इन सारे एंगल्स को डी की हेल्प से कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे और दैट विल बी आवर पाई चार्ट. सो हियर these are all central angles. See here 180 degree for these are the blue, and for the green, and for the red, and for the yellow. So for the blue we have to draw the angle of 180 degree, and that is 180 degree for the blue. And for green 90 degree, this is green 90 degree. You draw the angle of 90 degree using D. For the red, it is 60 degree central angle. So this angle is central angle. This angle is 60. Sorry, center means for the red, this angle should be 60 degree. And for the yellow, the central angle is 30 degree. It is automatically will be constructed here. Once you draw the blue, then green, then red, then this is yellow. So this is our pie chart. पाई चार्ट के लिए पहले हम फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, फिर फ्रैक्शन को 18/36 इज द फ्रैक्शन, और फ्रैक्शन को सेंट्रल एंगल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 360 से, बिकॉज ऑल द सम ऑफ ऑल दीज एंगल्स इज 360 डिग्री. Next question, question number 4, and that is case study based question. We read the question carefully. The adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, Mathematics, Social Science and Science. ये जो पाई चार्ट है किसी स्टूडेंट के जो मार्क्स ऑब्टेन किए हैं उन्होंने इन 5 सब्जेक्ट में, मीन्स 5 सब्जेक्ट है, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मैथमेटिक्स, सोशल साइंस एंड साइंस में, उसका एक पाई चार्ट आपके सामने ड्रॉन है. यस, बाय द स्टूडेंट वर, if the total marks obtained by the students were 540, total marks जो स्टूडेंट फाइंड आउट किया उसने वो किया है 540. आंसर दी फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. अब हमें आंसर देना है. देखिए ये डिग्री का मतलब होता है आउट ऑफ 360, बिकॉज द टोटल एंगल हियर इज 360 डिग्री. तो और अब 105 मार्क कौन से सब्जेक्ट में लाया? देखिए फर्स्ट वी चेक फॉर द हिंदी हियर. तो सी फॉर हिंदी, first part of the question, Hindi marks are, means Hindi mark is here, that is 70 out of 360. ये 70 डिग्री का मतलब है out of 360. then out of, it means out of 540 कितने मार्क्स होंगे? देखिए, कैन यू कैंसिल इट आउट? 70/360 into 540. 10 is cancelled by this 0. 18 2 za, 18 3 za, so that is 70 by 2 into 3. This now 2 35 ja, this is 35 into 3, that is 105 marks. हिंदी में इनके 105 मार्क्स है और क्वेश्चन यही है, फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन ये है कि कौन से सब्जेक्ट में, इन विच सब्जेक्ट द स्टूडेंट इज स्कोरिंग 10, that is means 105 marks. So the answer 105 marks being scored by the student in which subject? In the subject Hindi. Okay. This is the answer of the first part of question. I can also write how many marks here? 105 marks, 105 marks in Hindi. Question यही था कि in which subject did he the student scores 105 mark? कौन से सब्जेक्ट में स्टूडेंट ने एक 105 मार्क स्कोर किया है और वो सब्जेक्ट है हिंदी. Okay. The question 2 is, second part of this question is, how many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? देखिए, marks obtained in for the second part, marks in mathematics. देखिए, this is mathematics and that is 90 degree, means out of 90 out of 360, लेकिन हमारे पास टोटल मार्क्स कितना है? It means out of 50 will be, out of 450 will be. We can cancel this 0 by this 0, sorry. Okay, and थोड़ा और सिंपल बना देते हैं इसको. Yes, 94 ja, and that is 540 upon 4. अब देखिए मैथ्स में कितने मार्क्स हैं इसके? That will be 135 marks. Mathematics में the student scores 135 marks. And in Hindi, हिंदी में देखिए कितना है. In Hindi 105 marks we already have calculated. In Hindi that is 105 marks. कितने मार्क्स ज्यादा हैं? Therefore difference of marks, that is 135 in mathematics, 105 in Hindi, so difference is 30. So how many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? So we can say that 30 is the answer. 30 more marks obtained by the student in mathematics than Hindi. इस स्टूडेंट ने मैथमेटिक्स में हिंदी से 30 मार्क्स ज्यादा लाए हैं. So that is the answer of this question, and the answer of this question is 30 marks. Okay. And now the third part of this question, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. एक क्वेश्चन ये पूछा है कि अगर साइंस और मैथमेटिक्स के मार्क्स ऐड कर दें एंड साइंस और हिंदी के मार्क्स ऐड करें तो क्या साइंस और मैथमेटिक्स के मार्क्स आर मोर देन द मार्क्स ऑब्टेन्ड इन साइंस एंड हिंदी. देखिए, we come to the marks of science in degree में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं हम. देखिए, science and mathematics, science is 80 and mathematics is 90. So 90 plus 80, we can say that is 90 plus 80, that is 170 डिग्री. देखिए, साइंस 80 डिग्री, मैथमेटिक्स 90 डिग्री, दोनों को कंबाइन करेंगे तो 170 डिग्री. दैट आर द मार्क्स इन द सब्जेक्ट साइंस एंड मैथ्स. एंड नाउ द मार्क्स इन sorry, that is for social science. I have to change it. मुझे change करना पड़ेगा. The marks are, yes. So I come here now. Marks for the third part. Social science plus maths. देखिए, because here it is social science. ये social science है. Social science marks are 65 and means maths are 90. So 65 plus 90, that is 135 degree. Social science marks 65, mathematics 90, that is 135. Is it right? No, it should be 155 degree. Okay. And marks in science and Hindi. कितना डिग्री आएगा देखिए. In science that is 80 degree, in Hindi that is 70 degree, and that is 150 degree. अगर कंपेयर करेंगे तो it means the marks in social science and mathematics that is 155 degree, marks in science and Hindi that is 150 degree. तो क्या आंसर हुआ हमारा? Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. Yes, हमारा आंसर होगा हाँ yes, क्योंकि सोशल साइंस और मैथमेटिक्स का डिग्री में 155 डिग्री एंड साइंस और हिंदी का डिग्री में 150 डिग्री है. तो जो साइंस, सोशल साइंस और मैथमेटिक्स के मार्क्स ज्यादा है साइंस और हिंदी से. सो दैट इज ट्रू. यस, वी कैन से यस. दैट इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. ये दे रखा है आपको कि किसी भी हॉस्टल में कौन सा लैंग्वेजेस स्पीक करते हैं. तो हिंदी 40 स्टूडेंट, इंग्लिश 12 स्टूडेंट, मराठी 9 स्टूडेंट, तमिल 7 स्टूडेंट, बंगाली 4 स्टूडेंट. आउट ऑफ total students are 72. And we have to draw here a pie chart. हमें बनाना है यहाँ पे pie chart. For the pie chart we need central angle, and for the central angle we need fraction. Then first of all we have to find out the fraction here. So we write here Hindi 40, English 12, Marathi 9, Tamil 7, and Bengali 4. First we write the convert in the fraction. So 40 out of 72 Hindi, 12 out of 72 that is English, 9 out of 72 that is Marathi, Tamil 7 upon 72, and Bengali 4 upon 72. But for getting or finding the central angle, multiply each fraction by 360, and then you simplify. Then 72 5 ja 360, 45 ja 200. It is similarly you have to calculate it, that Hindi 20 degree, English 60 degree, Marathi on calculation 45 degree, Tamil on calculating 35 degree, and Bengali on calculating 20 degree. And thus we have got the central angle. इस तरह से हमने central angle find out किया है. Now you draw a circle and represent these through a pie chart. See here. Yes, this is our circle. First of all, Hindi is 200 degree. पहले आप हिंदी ना बनाएं. You start drawing with the Bengali, that is 20 degree, and then Tamil, that is 35 degree, Marathi 45 degree, and English 60 degree. और जो बचेगा, what is left here, that will be 200 degree. Yes. So this is our pie chart. This is our pie chart. So for drawing or the pie chart, we need first fraction. Each fraction should be multiplied by 360 to get the central angle. And all these central angle we draw, we construct in a circle. And this is our pie chart. We use D to construct these angles. Yes. So that's all for this exercise. Thank you.